Well, the folks at Apple were kind enough to send me a parcel. All I had to do was go online, pick what I wanted, pay for it, and wait for it to be delivered. I kid, obviously. Apple did not send me this like they do other reviewers, but if you can help me get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of time, that would be appreciated. Hit that subscribe button. So, let's find out what I ordered on the Apple website. As we know, Apple had their March event just last week, and it would be rude of me not to order the new iPhone 13 Pro Max in that Alpine Green, and something I'm looking forward to actually opening, because the original, or the iPad Air 4, I never actually got around to buying or reviewing, so I'm excited to review this new 5th generation iPad Air with the M1 chip. So, what do you want me to open first? Phone? Phone it is. No need for scissors or an unboxing knife on the phone. As you know, this has the lovely green pull strips, which are very simple to use. Also, not much of an unboxing experience, hence why I'm doing both at the same time. So here is the lovely Alpine Green, if green is your bag. I'm not quite sure it is for me. Pop that down just now. USB-C to lightning cable, stickers and manual. Now I know it's not going to be green, nope, just a white sticker, and a SIM ejecting tool. That's what you get in the box. Nothing's changing just because it's halfway through the year. Apple don't suddenly feel generous and they're not going to give you anything nice. So first things first, well, that's quite a fingerprint magnet. It is very cold, so I guess that's adding to the fact that fingerprints are going to pick up easily on the metal design just now. So the stainless steel rails are in a very shiny green, a darker green than on the back. If you have the midnight green iPhone from the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, yeah, it's nothing like that. This is much more green. Okay, as always, on this front piece of paper, saving on plastic, you do have your instructions for the volume, power, all that good stuff. So, some good peelage as always. Power the phone on. Again, I'm not going to go through specs or anything like that in too much detail. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes of storage. Reason being is I wanted that 4K ProRes. If you don't have at least 256, you won't get that. Running on iOS 15, however, the update when I do this and set up the phone will take me to iOS 15.4, which has very handily got Face ID while wearing a mask. I like that. It's a triple camera array, 3x zoom, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel main sensor. It's a great phone. 12 megapixel selfie as well. Yeah, love it. Sadly, it's still lightning port again. Nothing has changed from the September release apart from this new colour. And man, I forgot how heavy the iPhone 13 Pro Max actually is. I am using the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, which is a big, hefty phone. Look at that camera bump. But the iPhone is much heavier. Okay, that's the phone. Super. Let's just pop that off to the side. Yes, I know I've completely put it in the box the wrong way, but that's okay. Shout out to the AirPods Max, by the way. Don't know if anybody's still using these, but if you bought them and you are, fair play. They are outstanding headphones. So this M1 iPad Air, which is just crazy to say out loud that an iPad Air has an M1 chip in it. I got this in the base 64 gig of storage in this new blue colour. No need for an unboxing knife. What would Flossie say? Hurrah! There we go. So, Are there tabs? No, it's just Apple. Nice tight packaging as always. Come on, you can come out. There's definitely no tabs. No, definitely no tabs. Good golly, there we go. Perfect. Box away. iPad to the side. Inside the box, Samsung, take note. A charging brick. 20 watts, but still a charging brick. USB-C to C, manuals and stickers. The Samsung Tab S8's whole range do not come with a charging brick, which is hilarious to me because Samsung were the ones that took the piss out of Apple for A, having a notch, and B, not giving you a charging brick. The Samsung Tabs are the first tablets to have a notch and not give you a charging brick. Samsung, you're an embarrassment. Anyway, that's a different rant. So, as I calm down, here's a tablet. Oh, that's a nice blue. I would say blue is my favourite colour. All variations, and this is a very nice blue indeed. Oh, that's cool. So again, not going too much into detail, but this is a 10.9 inch full HD panel, not OLED or mini LED, a 12 megapixel camera, Touch ID, not Face ID, which I'm all for. I wish the iPhones had Touch ID. Does have USB-C, which is awesome, and as much as you see 4 speaker cutouts in total, they are actually just a dual stereo setup, not quad. So yeah, I'll get this all set up, but again, running iPad OS 15, has center stage in the front facing camera, which I'm struggling to see in this light, but is here somewhere. Oh, there it is, yeah. Center stage and the front facing camera, which sadly is still at the top and not in the middle, because if you're using a tablet for calls, you're typically in landscape mode, but this is still in its portrait style. That's one thing Samsung have done with their tabs, made sure that the front facing cameras are on the landscape bezels. Okay, there we go. That's it. That's the unboxing. Reviews, etc. to come. Thanks for watching.